Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today, since Malagasy Independence Day is coming up, I decided to do Malagasy related things. So my mom and I were researching and we found the story. It's about a guy named Tsingory, and I decided to draw him today. Let's go see what I made. So the story of Tsingory goes, technically it's not really about him. It's sort of a romance story where there's a princess who is coming of age, and her father is telling her, who's the king, the king's telling her, the princess, "You are of age, it is time for you to get married." Naturally, she doesn't want to. So he invited all the young men from around the kingdom to come to a huge party. Many of them were talking to the princess, but there was this one who didn't really talk to her. His name was Tsingory. There was music playing and he just kept dancing and dancing. He didn't come for the princess, he came to party. And so he kept dancing and dancing and dancing. And then soon it was over and he went home. And for some reason, girls tend to fall for the guys that don't show any interest. So naturally, the princess fell for Tsingory. One day, Tsingory was walking around, and he heard a beautiful sound. It was a bird's whistling, and he really wanted to go see it. He followed the sound and ended up climbing over the gate, and he saw a peacock. It was the most beautiful peacock he had ever seen, and it was just making such amazing music, and he started dancing to it. And he started dancing and dancing, singing and singing. And then the peacock collapsed, dead. Tsingory heard the guards coming, and he hid inside a sort of tarp. And the guards saw the peacock and immediately thought that he had choked it. So, the king was enraged when he saw what happened. So, in order to draw Tsingory out, he had his band play music. Amazing music that made anyone want to dance. Tsingory was just in the tarp. It started out with just a little tapping, and his body couldn't stop moving. And he ended up jumping out of the tarp and started dancing. His dancing impressed the king so much, he wasn't even angry. And then the bird woke up and started singing. It seemed to be that the bird did not die, but was merely out of breath and was tired. Later on, the king decided to make Tsingory. The king loved the dancing so much, he allowed Tsingory to marry his daughter. And the two fell in love, and that's the end. So you guys are probably wondering why I have Tsingory in this position. Well, you see, in Madagascar, the way people dance is different than what it is now. The men have more sharp movements. At least if you're in Antananarivo. Their movements are sharp, crisp, and they tend to imitate what the females do. But the females are a lot softer and rounder with their movements. And also my reference picture was doing a pose like that. finally, I am finished. This is what I resulted in. You know, after I finished the drawing, I realized I forgot to give him pants. But even without the pants, he looks kind of good. You wouldn't notice. I also love the outfit design. My mom and I made a ton of sketches for his outfit. It was insane. So I really hope you guys like this as much as I do. Anyway, guys, that's all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. You can find this as a sticker and more on my Redbubble. Go check me out on Soso Artsy 13. Thanks for watching. Bye!